Meaning of gamey.
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 Gamey. The term gamey is often used to describe the strong, distinctive flavor that is characteristic of wild game animals such as deer, rabbit, and duck. This flavor is caused by the presence of certain compounds, such as myoglobin and creatine, that are produced during aerobic exercise. It is generally considered an acquired taste and some people find it unpleasant, while others enjoy it. When used in cooking, gamey meat is often paired with strong flavors like red wine, juniper berries, or rosemary to balance out its intensity and create a more complex and satisfying dish.